Happy birthday, Janelle! Happy 18th birthday! Sana'y matupad ang lahat ng gusto mo at maging masaya ka ngayong kaarawan. At sana'y lagi kang maging maayos ng bata at makatapos ka sa iyong pag-aaral. Okay. Salamat sa inyo dyan. Kumusta na lang sa lahat. Okay. Wala.
Sabihin ko.
Happy birthday, Janelle. Sana naman ay makatapos ka sa iyong pag-aaral at huwag ka munang mag-aasawa. Dahil masarap ang buhay na may asawa. Mahalin mo, nanay mo, tatay mo. Happy birthday ulit. Huwag niyo pa akong alalahanin at ako'y maayos naman.
Ikaw.
Kumusta na lang sa inyong lahat?
Okay na. Oh.
Hi, Janelle! Happy birthday! Sana huwag ka mo na mag-boyfriend. Tapusin mo na pag-aaral mo, ha? We miss you, we love you. Again, happy birthday! Mwah! Bye!
Hi Janelle, I just wanted to wish you a happy birthday. May all your dreams for the future come true. May God continue to bless you and guide you. You deserve all the success, happiness, and love in the world. Have a happy birthday and a fantastic year ahead of you. Love you.
Ano ang pangalan?
Janelle!
Janelle! Happy birthday! Ikaw ay 18 ngayon. Sana ikaw ay... Nalilimutan ko tuloy sasabihin ko. Yan, nakalimit tuloy ako. Basta't happy birthday na lang at samantalahin mo pag ikaw ay dalaga ka na ngayon. Basta't happy birthday na lang. Okay, bye.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, husband Len.
JP, happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Diyos, ate, Diyos. Happy birthday, ate.
Hey Isaac, you! Josh! Say happy birthday!
Isaac.
Happy birthday!
Isaac.
Say happy birthday! Happy birthday!
And bye!
Josh, say happy birthday!
Sige, happy birthday.
Isaac, dali, dali. Dali.
Say happy birthday,
Happy birthday,
Ate.
happy birthday.
Happy
Happy
birthday,
birthday.
Ate Janelle. Say, look at the camera and say happy birthday.
Ayan, kanila. Ayos na.
Alin, the kids.